The American scene, some 40 years ago. In 1914, the snow and slush of a hard winter created treacherous footing for Dobbin's last stand. The vanishing horse was still very much in evidence on the nation's streets. Many considered him cheaper and more dependable than his motorized successor. This wise wagon took to the sidewalk, but alas, it too had to make way for the automobile. By 1914, Mr. Average Citizen was getting accustomed to gasoline fumes, motor breakdowns, flat tires, jokes about Tin Lizzies, and traffic jams. A war was raging in Europe. The man in the street was more concerned with the wintry winds raging here at home. Germany, France, England, Russia were far away. Their battles appeared to be none of our business. This 75-mile gale, which had pedestrians clinging to lampposts in Boston, seems to support the old-timers' claim that they really had winters in those days. The watch on the Rio Grande showed that America had troubles on her own doorstep.